Well, the Iron Marriage today is docked in Fort Lauderdale, and Jen and I got up this morning and decided to go for a bike ride and crossed over the bridge and on our way to Fort Lauderdale Beach. What a great beach. It so reminds me of Huntington Beach or even Newport Beach back in California, with all the beautiful residences, little shops and stores and restaurants along the way, but then easy access to the beach. And we had a great bike ride. I think we covered about 10 miles, headed back to the boat. Fort Lauderdale is known for its yachts. It makes the Iron Marriage seem like a double wide trailer compared to some of these mega yachts that are here that have boats practically our size sitting on top of them as tenders and dinghies. What a great place this is. We had a great dinner on the boat, went out and watched the boats go by at night that were all lit up. It was a great day in Fort Lauderdale Beach, Florida.